Everyone, my name is Amar and this is my final project for CS50p. My project is a Battleship game. There is my project.py file, which contains my main function, helper.py, just to organize the code and not to store everything in one file, requirements, and test project.py. So let's run our program. Here you can read the rules. You can type Y to start the game or N if you're afraid. We are not afraid, so let's start the game. Yep. And this is our battlefield and our lives. So every time when we hit a mine, we lose one life. And if we lose all our lives, the game is over. So below the lives, we can input the coordinates. Coordinates are checked with the regular expressions, so it's in order to avoid invalid input, so something like cat or maybe A11, which is out of the range. It will be rejected, it will just prompt again for new coordinates. So now let's try something valid like G8. Okay, so there is nothing here. Let's try J3. Now we hit a mine and we lost one life. So okay, let's try A3. We hit a ship, B3, we hit it again, C3, and D3. So we have sunk enemy fleet, and just there was only one ship in order to simplify the demonstration, but if you want to try the real game, I will provide link for my GitHub repository. You can follow the link and download my code and try to play yourself. Thank you everyone for your attention.